And then from cathedrals, we're going to go to Kauai. So Kauai Valley, this is the largest valley on the Nepali coast. And at one point in time, there were over 5,000 Hawaiians living here. They had homes, communities, ranches, farms, hunting, fishing. Everything they needed to survive was in this canyon, surrounding canyons, and the ocean. If you drive up Waimea Canyon, the furthest you can drive up that canyon is the backside of this canyon, looking down from back to front. Most of the time it's covered up by clouds, so today's actually a pretty good time to view it. How's everyone doing with all these turns? Is it still good?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
All right. Take you over to Hanakawa Falls now. We're going to see this waterfall right around the corner here on the right-hand side. There it is.
Whoa.
Okay, do you guys want macro or micro?
Micro.
Yeah. There we go. Micro it is. Come down here. Show you the Ho'olulu Sea Caves. You're going down to 500 feet. It's about as micro you get in a helicopter, right? That trail, the Colorado Trail goes from Ke'e. You hike all along these cliffs back to that beach down there. Number 3 in the top 10 most dangerous trails in the world. Now these are the Ho'olulu Sea Caves coming up here. These are all lava tubes. And a lot of the Zodiacs will go inside one tube and then it connects to the other tube and they come out the other way. That's about 85 feet, I think they said, right in this area, that water, how clear it is. So that trail goes right on top of that cliff right up there, all along the way, all the way to the beach over there. The cave down there on the left, down below. That's where you just were at there. That's the Hanakawa Falls up there. There's the trail down below. Alright, we'll straighten level here for a little while. How's everyone feeling?
Good.
Good group. Whale season is pretty phenomenal out here. The end of December through April, we get whales coming down here from Alaska. It's kind of the swipe right season of the year, if you know what I mean. A little dating scene out here. A lot of flirting going on. You can hear it when you scuba dive. How you doing? Cool. A little bit of rain. We love flying through the rain. At least I do. Cleans the windshield for me. Saves you a bunch of time when I get back. I don't have to take care of business. You know what I'm saying? KA Beach coming up here on the right-hand side. The furthest you can drive counterclockwise around the entire island. That's where you start to go from that. So there's a hike that goes from here, KA to Hanakapii, and then you go to the back. There's a big waterfall. Look off your back right-hand shoulder. Back there is the Hanakapii Falls. If you want to go to this beach, you need to go online and make a reservation for parking if you don't have a Hawaiian state license. If you're going there for the beach, skip it. Not a very good beach, right? But if you're going there for hiking, then make it a priority. If you're not, though, but you got tunnels here, you got Lumahai, you got Hanalei Bay. Tunnels Beach is nice. There's a really good snorkel spot here during the summer months. During the summer, the waves and swells. There we go. Swells and the waves are lower on the north and the west side. They're bigger on the east and the south. During the winter, there's much bigger waves and swells on the north shore. So this is a famous surfing spot down here off the right-hand side. You can see surfers up there on the right-hand side over that wake over there. Now there's a young lady out here surfing one day when she was unfortunately attacked by a tiger shark. Had her left arm completely bitten off by that shark, but she fought through adversity and through faith, encouragement, and perseverance. She became a pro surfer anyway. Her name is Bethany Hamilton. They made that movie about her called Soul Surfer. Got to meet her and her husband and 2 kids. We were camping Pauly Holly one weekend. She was out there. She's pretty cool. Here's the beautiful North Shore in front of us. You got the little island off to the left-hand side up there in the distance. Just to the right of that is where the Kilauea Lighthouse is at. Anini Beach, you can see the waves crashing further offshore. That's the second largest coral reef in the United States right there. Beautiful Princeville, the Princeville Hotel. You see the St. Regis. Beautiful Hanalei Bay. Everyone's always like, bro, where do all the locals go? Man, I want to go to that beach. I'm like, bro, we go to Hanalei Bay. Are you kidding me? It's easy to get to. It's a nice beach. There's a decent wave. There's bathrooms, there's good food, everything. So you go to like all these super secret, which we do have, don't get me wrong. But like, it takes work to get to those super secret spots. We go to these places all the time. So yeah, stick to these ones, they're great. This is Lumahai Beach down below. You see people right over there by the river. You can park over there.